So when you take 20% off a number using a calculator here, you need to know that different calculators kind of do it differently. They can be set up differently. So the way I'm going to show you works on any calculator. So 20% off a number or off a price. First thing we do, we change that percentage there to a decimal. So we have 20% off. So let's say we want to take 20% off $25. We'll change this 20% to a decimal. We take 20 and we divide it by 100. When we divide by 100, that gives us our decimal, 0.2. So then we take our decimal, that 0.2, and we multiply it by the original number. That's the $25 there. 0.2 times 25, that equals 5. And that tells us the amount off. It's $5. So we got $5 when we took 20% off $25. To find the final price, you just take the original, that's the 25, minus how much you got off, that was 5. So your final price would be $20. So pause and see if you can do it for $75. So take 20% off the price or number, $75. So that 20%, we change the percentage to a decimal here. So we're going to take 20 divided by 100, and that gives us the decimal 0.2, which we then just multiply by the original number, the 75. 0.2 times 75 equals 15. So we get $15 off. That's 20% off of 75. And if you want the final price, 75 minus 15, that means you would pay $60 for the item. And that's it. That's how you take 20% off a number or a price. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.